Hey, Darren here. So Glide just released plugins, and there's over 50 of them. Actually, there's 54 as of this video, and they're located here at glideapps.com/plugins. I'll have that link down in the description. And I have one of these that I want to add to one of my apps. So I wanted to take you along for the journey and show you how to do that. And what I'm going to be doing is adding a QR code to my app. So it's a dynamic QR code. And here is the use case. It's my app Send That, which I've made videos on before. I've actually showed you how I made this app. And in this app, it's basically to transfer things between my devices. So if I wanted to send an image to my phone from my computer, I would just upload the image to Send That. And then Send That, after submitted, gives me a code. And right now what I have to do is I have to go into my phone, and then I have to pull up the Send That app. And I'm not going to do it because it just takes too long. I want to just scan a code on my computer with my phone and just have the image show right up. And so right now, this FCWM, if I go to send that / that code, it will look in the Send That database and show the picture that I just uploaded. So what I want to do is utilize this URL, show it in a QR code, then scan that with my phone, and then life is so much easier for me. So let's go ahead and do this inside of Glide. So the way we do this is I'll come to my data editor. We can go to my uploads, and then here is the image that I just uploaded. You can see it right there. If I scroll over, here is the URL that will pull up that image. So all I need to do is add a new column, and the column type is going to be one of these plugins, what are called Glide plugins. And the QR code comes from an image folder, and then we just click on QR code there. And then the content is just going to be that URL. And then we can rename this as QR code. And so you can see right here, we have the URL that I want in the QR code. And now I have a QR code representation of that URL. And so now if we go back to my app, I need to actually display this in the app. So it's on my send screen. So I'll go to send something. And then right here, right now, I'm just showing the code and then the clipboard. So what I want to do is show that QR code now. So let me just add a image component, and we'll put it, let's try right there. Instead of image, let's pull in that QR code. And wow, that's really big. So let's shrink that down a little bit. And instead of fill the area, let's just do show whole image. And now we have a QR code. And I want to add, let's do a text component. Because I'm saying enter this code in another Send That app, and I want to say or scan this code with a little emoji pointing down. And then let's go ahead and make that center. Throw a little HTML tag in there to center that up. And then let's move this little spacer right there. Or scan this code. Maybe let's add one more spacer. Right there. And so now we have the QR code that will actually pull up whatever is in Send That. So let me go ahead and publish this. Publish. Boom. So now the update is inside of my Glide app. So now I should maybe be able to refresh this page. Aha, there it is. And so now I can just come to my phone and my camera, camera on my phone, scan this code. It pulls it up. Loading. And then there's my picture. It's really hard to see because the focus is off, but there it is. And I didn't have to type in anything into my app. All I had to do was just scan this code. It is beautiful. So I'm super excited to dive into more of the Glide plugins, but thanks for joining me as I added this QR code to my app, Send That. Cheers.